Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lola. I make new videos every week, and today we are cleaning my makeup vanity. This is definitely long overdue. I probably have a crap ton of makeup I should have gotten rid of a long time ago, but here we are now. So if you'd like to see how my vanity goes from cluttered to clean, then grab you some coffee and let's get cleaning. Okay, so I'm currently going through all of my makeup, just trying to downsize, clean this area up some, get rid of stuff that I don't actually use or need or any of that or wear really. My makeup routine currently is pretty chill. I don't have a lot of steps to it anymore. I don't really like full faces like that. I do like a good, nice natural looking full face, but as far as extreme makeup, stuff like that, I'm really not doing that, especially on a daily basis anymore. So I'm just really trying to downsize, trying to get rid of some stuff, trying to clean up this area, clean up the space. We will be moving soon. So I want to make sure that I am really bringing stuff that I want and need and just really trying to downsize. So I'm pretty sure there'll be a bunch of stuff that I'm gonna end up sending to people or giving to family and friends and stuff, because there's a bunch of stuff that I am not even touching. So yeah, so right now I'm going through all of my foundations. So far these are the ones that I'm getting rid of. The rest of these I have to go through. These I've already gone through, those I'm gonna keep. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'm just going through my foundation. So there's just a lot to go through, so bear with me. So I'm currently cooking dinner right now. I'm making some spaghetti for dinner. Nothing too crazy. And then just doing some planning, and I have to do some cleaning because everyone this is why my living room ends up looking like a disaster, because everyone just brings stuff here and just drops it on the floor. So they are currently getting their jammies on, and then it's gonna be time to clean up because no ma'am, we're not doing this mess. I'm broken around somewhere all the time, but cannot stand to be away from her at the same time. It's pretty funny. She likes when we're calm, I'll put it that way. So, well, mainly when my youngest is calm, then she'll be like, oh great, yeah, let's cuddle together. It's when they're sleeping and when they're calm, and that's when she wants to hang out. foundation, I have downsized just into here. So it's just here that's foundation now instead of like here and everywhere else. These are my primers, before and after, makeup setting spray, stuff like that. Little liquid highlights and eye primers, concealers, all my daily powders and blushes, and some highlight. Some highlight, just like my basic everyday essentials, the ones that I kind of reach for the most. Beauty blender, clean beauty blenders, dirty beauty blenders, my body blender, which I actually love for like putting on foundation and stuff. It's actually quite nice and it covers a lot of area very quickly. These are all just like brow, eye, lip liners that I use on the daily, and then I downsize all of my brushes, so now I just have these here. I still have to wipe that mirror down. This is from IKEA, by the way, because I have people that ask me, and this little one is from Walmart. They have like abundance of colors for the little ones. And then over here, I just kind of cleaned everything up a little bit. I need to get one of those little necklace jewelry display things. I broke my last one and then completely forgot to get one, so I've just been like hanging them up on this random towel rack. Just because it's like there, but eventually I am gonna get like a little, you know, necklace holder or something so my necklaces aren't constantly tangled. Then I downsized all my lipsticks, lip liners, stuff like that. Got rid of all the ones that I know I'm not gonna use, all those colors, all the ones that were old, just got rid of all that, got rid of the colors that I don't want, and just gave a bunch of stuff away that was not bad. Then those are my palettes. That's just hair extension box with some leftover extensions in it, and 2 of my travel makeup bags are stuffed into one. That, I don't know how that got stuck under there, but I think it's, oh no, I stuck that under there because there's like a, this tile is uneven, so it kind of like slopes this way. Oh, I have foundation on my nail, great. Yeah, but this tile is uneven, so it like slopes down. I don't know why or how they did that or what happened there. So like I used that to level it out for now because I don't have it anchored in here, because originally it wasn't gonna stay in here. But since we're moving anyway, like I'm not anchoring anything else to the wall or anything like that. Then I just cleaned out my little drawers. So now everything just has like the essentials, blush, highlight, all in here, contour, all that. Then I just have like my little contour palettes, and then all the random jewelry you found up here, I need jewelry holders for, so I just stuck it in here for now. Then this is just powders, all my liners, more concealers, gels, all that stuff. This stuff kind of goes bad a lot quicker than everything else, so I always end up cleaning this drawer and my mascara and stuff out the fastest. So I didn't really have to do much in this drawer because I already downsized in here. And then I'll probably have to go through this again probably in the next like week or 2 and get rid of anything that is expired. But that's that drawer. Then this is just a bunch of random stuff. This is all the papers and stuff that I have to go through, all my receipts, cords for recording, stuff like that. All my nail polish stuff. And this is all my airbrush stuff, so like all my airbrush foundations, blushes, highlights, stuff like that, setting, all that in here. Some more lipstick holders. As you can see, I get them from Ross because they're super cheap. This was $5.99. I think both of them were from Ross. And then this is just my little brush cleaner machine that I actually have to use. I had a friend of mine send it to me for our little bitch miss thing, and I never actually used it. I don't know what spilled on here, but probably one. And then this is just bags, so all of like my makeup bags, travel makeup bags, stuff like that, I put in there. So I spilled something on there, don't know how I did that, but yeah, so that is pretty much it. This has been like a 2-day, actually a 3-day project for me because I had to stop multiple times because I have a bunch of other stuff that I'm doing as well. But I am just glad that it is over, downsized. I got rid of a bunch of stuff. Oh, and this drawer is just lashes. I don't know if I said that, but this is just my lash drawer. I really didn't have to downsize on this because I usually like use them and then toss them after a few times. And then these are just lashes that I just haven't used. So they don't really take up a lot of space, and I don't buy a lot of lashes anymore. So, because I usually use like magnetic ones or something. So I don't really have to replace them as often. But yeah, so that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So yeah, I will definitely keep you guys up to date. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.